this is add zeros, and people wanted to see that how my platform look like if they wanted to set up, and also this video is going to help you to set up your computer and how you organize your platform for your WST trading. So let's start get to it. If you have not subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button so all the videos you can see the moment I release. So if you go to the terminal section, and you will find a lot of options here, and you add the chart here in the first, right? So this is this work area, this is chart. So here's so many things are set up. Let me just cut down everything, delete everything, and then I will help you set up everything together. So this is the chart look like a normal chart when you're going to open any new chart. So what you need to do now, you need to go to the uh, you know indicators, add indicators. This button, when you click on it, you can add a first EMA, which I use it. I also use another EMA, and then one more EMA, and then I add a one uh, simple moving average. And I'm telling you how you can set up my way of managing that. So now you see this, all you have four added. Now go back to each and every one so we can set up a permanent time. So I've added three EMAs and one SMA, and now we're gonna go in the setting. So first EMA you put it as a 9. Don't change any other heading, and the color, whatever you like to give color. The first color I always give a light color. Uh, yeah, maybe you can give a white color. uh, I want to go light to dark usually, so then I can easily identify. Uh, Second color, you wanted to put it blue, that's fine. Just change the period to 20. So first is 9, second is 20. Then you go to third, and you basically give a 50 EMA, and that's where you're gonna give a line of, I usually give the 50 EMA a little pinkish shade. And then it is a red. This is then simple moving average 200, and I give color is the light blue, and you give it the light blue color. So this is, now we have all moving averages are here, which I usually set up. And then you go to settings, go to VWAP, and add a VWAP line here. And I guess this is there, just say visible, and all of the criteria has been checked. I think 10 is fine, the line color is fine, and we do not need this color, only click on the line one visible, and then okay. And then you will see moving averages as well. So right now I don't see here. Let's see why we don't see the EMA. Okay, so now we have see here. So 9, 20, 50, 200, we can see, and this is a VWAP. Other thing which I add into my is the ATR, because I don't want it to calculate how big is the candle. So I really love to have an ATR. So what you need to go again, go to indicator and click on ATR. Once the ATR comes in, you need to double click, and you say, I would just say 1 bar, because I wanted to calculate for 1 bar ATR. So you just move it one, simple, and we don't need a line basically. And we want into sub, that's fine I guess. And then you just minimize it in the sense that you just click on this here, so it's always going to be here. Okay, and if you want to give a color, give a color. If not, then it's fine. So if you do it here, it's going to show you, okay, why is the font is not coming. Oh, because I removed the visibility here, so remove here. Yeah, so see here, now this shows that if when I click on the bar, it shows me that how big is the bar, is a 33 cents bar, 21-cent bar, right? And it will help me to, in the fast moving pace, when market is moving too fast, it will help you quickly calculate the how big is the size of the bar. So just like if this bar is 1.20, and if you ask me to go long after this, I wouldn't go long, because I can see the how it stretches this 1 minute, 5 minute bar, right? And they see exactly what happened. It could continue the exhaust and came down quickly. So I guess the ATR is very important for you as well. So this is the way you do it. Now you go to setting, and then you set as default. Once you set as default, And when you add another chart, it's automatically gonna bring everything together. Now, since we have to set up like this, so what you do, you basically click on this here this way. So you're gonna get two charts. I basically use my four charts, and then you can bring another chart and then you do it here. So this is the four charts are there. What I do, I usually use the corner, left corner is a 5 minute chart, and the bigger chart is a 1 minute chart. So this is the way I set up. Now I add the market depth, and market depth is going to be like it has to be in the same color. So let's change the color below, or maybe make blue, blue, and this is going to be the purple. And you add this into attached, say attached here, attached, and it's coming here. Now we need one more market depth, so adding the market depth here, and again you do blue color and you say attached, and once come you just put it on the bottom. So now we have a two charts, two moving two market depths in the four charts. The next one is the time and sell. You add time and sell is very important, so you bring it on the back. I use two different kind of a time cells. I will show you how. So you add another one and you make it basically here. Okay. So now I have a two time and cell, and I need to reduce it a little bit. Let's organize it first. Okay. So for time and cell, you need to go to setting. We do not need a symbol. We do not need a time. We just need a price and size. And I will say as default, and I will just, when I go in this one, I will just say reset to default. So now I have a two time in cell. uh, Let me color to blue, and this should be purple. So, okay, so now it's getting matching with all. I can a little bit adjust to the 5 moving average, so then I have a two beautiful chart. I usually don't like this, so you can just remove it because this has no value. So go to info window and just click everywhere and just remove this. We do not need that. And if you do not need that, you can move it on the corner as well. So now it's look like this. Okay. Now another time and cell what I add here is I'm going to add on the bottom of this. Okay. And what I usually like to see, I like to see a bigger number of shares. So let me remove this. Go to filter, and it's asking you more. So I usually like more than 3,000 shares. So anytime it's going to have a more than 3,000 shares sold, it's going to give me an indication that there is a big buyer down there. So I do not need to specifically look for it, but basically it's going to give me an indication of all the big size trades. So now I'm going to put it to blue, blue, and this is purple and purple. Now this is the way I usually set up my first screen. On my other. All right, guys, this is the way I basically use my platform. This is the way I organized everything. So hope you have enjoyed this video. And if you want to know how I set up my second window or second screen, message me down, and I will also give you some tips to how to organize that as well. And hope you had a great WSTD challenge. If you wanted to join us, we can join us. We will go live today, so then you can be better prepared with the WSTD, the World Series Day Trading Program. Hope to see you there. Bye.